Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So on the question they mentioned that if we approach along y equals to negative s line, what do we get? Now we have y equals to negative s, so we put negative s going here. That means y we change by negative s. So because we have the power number 2, this is about even power. Even power, they will provide the positive numbers in here. So this one we have s square, and this one we have s square. So this one we have 2s square. 7 plus 5, we have 12. And now we need to simplify s square and s square we cancel. And now we just have only 1 over 6 if we divide by number 2 in here and here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.